Look at the size on this lift hill. As a small kid, it must have felt massive. Let's get some old school roller coaster action in. This is the Scorpion. Woohoo! One loop and a lot of helix. Yeah! Here we go! Woo! Hey! Woo! I can imagine how much I was laughing on this ride when I was a kid, because I'm laughing as an adult. Hey! Hey! Helix all the way! Oh. Ah, yeah. Well, it's got to be said, the old ones are still good ones. How long this ride will be, who knows? But once this year, we'll have a go. Gotta laugh. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and check out all the rest of our videos.